welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. We're headed back down to the shop to work on the 350Z once again, as you saw from the title. So in the last vlog, we actually had the metal technician work on the door, get all the door dings and rock chips out of it, and it is all primered now and ready to go. So basically what we need to do today is, I think we're gonna be blocking the Z. I don't think there's gonna be very much of that needed, just because most of the car just had rock chips that needed to be sanded down. So we're gonna just focus on, I think, sanding a lot of the primer down with 320 and then 600 grit sandpaper to get it ready for paint. And then so I think that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. Next time, hopefully with, you know, sometime this week actually, we'll be painting this car, because we're supposed to start doing all of this process on Saturday, but I was super busy and I couldn't get work off or anything. So, you know, that happens, but it's all good. We're back at it now. So we'll get a lot done today, hopefully, and then this week we'll get, you know, hopefully started painting it. I don't think we're gonna be able to paint the whole entire car in one day, obviously, so we're gonna do piece by piece probably. So hopefully it'll take a span of a few days to paint the entire car, but we're on our way there right now, so I'll see you in a few. Gosh, I need a haircut. It doesn't even stand up or anything. Anyways, I've seen a bunch of comments about like merch, or not merch, but like, you know, small merch, like air fresheners or like jet tags and stuff like that. I was actually kind of looking into like air fresheners that would be little cutouts, like an animated, you know, drawing of the Z. If you guys would be interested in something like that, let me know down below. All proceeds would obviously go towards the Z and the Miata builds. I don't think I could accept just like straight donations, so I would love to be able to, you know, give an air freshener or some stickers or a jet tag or something, you know, in return for your donation. I think it'd be kind of interesting. So just something I was thinking about while driving over there, and we're almost there. I'm excited to get some work done today because I feel like it's been a little bit. So awesome, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Got my caffeine. I'm good to go. I'm gonna just pull it in. Do I need to spray the stuff and then block the whole car basically?
No, right here where you're at right now, we're gonna resand it and throw a sealer.
Okay.
A sealer, it's almost like a primer.
Okay, I see.
That you put on before you start putting your color on.
Okay.
Depending on what color you want, if you're gonna go with the light red or dark red, see how this sealer is kind of gray?
Yeah.
It's because your red is a little bit darker. If you choose like a lighter red, then we'll put a white base. Okay. And it looks a lot cleaner.
Okay,
your color looks more rich.
Okay, cool.
And it covers faster. So on this, sand it again one more time. If there's rust kind of building a little bit like this, we're gonna resand it, re-clean it, and throw a sealer on it. We don't need to put no primer on it.
Okay. All right, you guys, I was just talking to Efren. This is the front lip of the car. You guys probably remember this was on the car. So we primered it, and then basically what I'm gonna do is sand it with 320 and then hit it with 600 and then red Scotch-Brite as well. And we should be good to go with this. And then so also what I'm gonna do, I'm also gonna do the side rockers on both sides today, or the side skirts, just because they're already off the car and I feel like it would be easy to just knock them out. And then hopefully if we work quick, we can get to the front bumper as well, but I'm not quite sure. So yeah, let's get started. All right, guys, so here's the order. We got 320 grit sandpaper, and then we have 600 grit sandpaper, which is a little smoother, and then red Scotch-Brite, which is pretty much like the smoothest of the three. End it with this one. Start with the 320. I'm gonna use the Scotch-Brite as kind of like a handle. It makes it a little easier. Okay, so that was 320. I think I'm gonna hit it with 600 now. Gonna hit it with this red Scotch-Brite, and we should be good to go with this one. All right, check it out. Let's get some focus. Look how smooth. That is ready for paint. Cool, now the entire car left. Just kidding. All right, side skirt number one. I'm hoping it's gonna be a little easier just because it's not as flimsy as the front, the front lip is, so. Shouldn't be too bad. 320, 600, red Scotch-Brite. Alright guys, so it has been about an hour and a half. I've been hard at work sanding down the front bumper, finished up the side rocker panels, and did the front lip as well. My hands are all white from sanding everything, but we're pretty much done right now. I'll show you what we've been up to. So hit this with 320 grit sandpaper like we were doing earlier, and then with 600, and then went over it with this red Scotch-Brite to kind of smooth it all out, and it's coming along well. Let's fill that really quick. Alright guys, so that's basically where we're going to wrap up today's video. Got a whole bunch of work done as far as sanding goes. Later this week we'll be talking about basically finding a time to paint part of the car, pieces here and there, and then put them on the car as well. So look forward to those videos, and I will see you guys then. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.